Do you know that frustration feeling when you work hard to grow a small account but see no real progress? If you have used multiple strategies, you haven't achieved meaningful results. This video will reveal the approach that turns things around me for and can help you too. I've got a special surprise just for you. Watch the entire video and be astonished by what is coming. I started my work by setting up my account, guys. Classic candles and 30 seconds on time frame. That period, right? For indicators, ADX and OSMA. Okay, so let's set up this one. 10 and 5 for that is movement and lengthy. For this one, you're gonna unselect the ADX, use only this one, plus and minus. Okay, if you want to change the thickness or the color, it's up to you. For OSMA, we're gonna use 10, 20, and 10. All right, and let's change this to blue. So that's snap ready. Now I can start the trade session, guys. Let's go with that for $6. All right, with the help of an ADX line, I quickly found an interesting situation and opened my first trade. The trade time is 2 minutes with an amount $25, and it will be by trade surprise green pudding. Let me explain how to analyze this one. Like I said, I found a situation by using the ADX and not line. Yeah, guys, it's real. I was scrolling through different currency pairs and saw the signals, and the ADX line is just closing with each other. Also, the histogram open a new candle and they are going up, and each new candle is bigger than the previous one. Look at this. These two details are very easy to notice, and with their help, I understand in which direction you open and trade. The lines and the candles are growing upwards very strongly, so it's a buy trade for sure. But if you see the histogram is falling, for example, and the line is going down and open and sell trade, I think that's clear here. Okay. The next important detail is behavior for ADX line before the crossings over point. Look at the line for the last few minutes, 3 minutes, 5, 6 minutes. I see, and there's like an arc right here. Okay, like a bow. Yeah, friends, the line literally looks like an arc before the crossover. As long as price drop is very, very good signal for me. Just remember what does it look like, and if you see something like that, it's a good signal. But I think it get a point. I also always look at candle pattern and what has happened in the last 30 minutes. The strategies will make market correction. So if you don't see the fall or rise, it's better to look or something else. Remember, this is very lot of techniques that can transform and join into markets. To become a professional, it's vital to master the most lucrative strategies, guys. But don't worry, I prepared this exclusive piece of content that will be essentials for development. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. So, stay with me until the end of the video and enjoy it. And let's go with that, our first entry right now. And look at this, for $8 of net profit in this one, I got in the total $69. So let's move on for the next one. Alright guys, I can see they're here with several correction the last 2 hours. I will see good signal right now, so let's try to work here. Alright, now I want to give you a few rules to help and understand this. Try to better. First of all, never open and trade and ask this line have not crossing at. We need to wait for the ADX. It's a mistake and you can lose because of that. Just do it, guys. Second, then open a trade. It's been more than 5 minutes after crossing, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. It's very late and you could lose this. The third rule is don't try to work fast. Yeah, guys, 5 minutes the extra time for a trade is the best option for these settings. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4, 5, not more of this. So if you choose 1 minute, for example, you can lose more often. Don't break these rules and your results will already be better. The 4-1 rule experience. Yeah, if you have over the 2 trades and you are losing, it doesn't mean that strategy doesn't work, right? Okay, remember that. In this strategy, the average profitable is static is 70%, 70, 75, 80% the maximum. So out of 10 signals, 6 or 7, maybe 8, that's difficult, will be profitable and the rest may be losing. If you don't have any luck for this, it's absolutely normal, okay? So, guys, you can just expect it for this one. It's not as 100% that you're gonna win and every signal that you try to make this one, you're gonna win on this. It's not like this, okay? It's not like the way. All right, and look this one again. We got it again, another profit, and look at my balance right now, $90, and let's move on for the next one, guys. Let's try to the third one. All right, guys, I don't think that strategy will make a rate. In one day, they set up really helped me to find good signals, as you can see right here, right now. But I spend a lot of effort to find good entry points and situations. So practice even and last 1 hour a day and maybe a week, you'll see real results. All right, I don't mind if add your own indicators or experience to this strategy. It can be better, and I will be glad if you share any comments. That's important to me. All right, it's a good method to start trading, guys. But if you are experienced, I think it can improve it. You can use this with another strategy or another indicators. Okay, so let's wait for the results. Let's wait for that. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Yeah, guys, look at my balance right now, $94 of net profits, 136 in the total on that. This good trading session, I had grown my account very, very well. And now I will stop for that. That's enough for today. Yeah. So actually right now, I wish you good luck, guys. I wish you good trade sessions, wish you good trading strategy, big profits, and see you too on my YouTube channel and Telegram group. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe in the channel, and share the link with your friends. Bye bye.